Wow, this doesn't look too bad.
No.
Mostly cheese.
Yeah, mostly,
I like
mostly cheese, yes.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. Here for your health.
Here for your health, baby. We are here for your health.
We have got a cool recipe. It's super simple, super easy, and we're utilizing this spaghetti squash, right?
We're utilizing spaghetti squash, and we're going back to some, because we've cooked a couple of recipes now with spaghetti squash. So we've been doing this now for 3 years, buddy. Can you believe it?
Holy cow.
3
We
years.
still don't have over 1,000 subscribers?
Yeah, well, you know, you get one a week, you know, need it or not. But we're going to use our spaghetti squash technique, our learnings.
Maybe we should put in the hashtag cryptocurrency.
Why? Because you're always checking your crypto.
No, yeah, well, because
nobody else cares but you.
That's super popular. Maybe more
It's
people will
only
come
popular
see us.
with you. All right, so when we come back, we're going to show you the ingredients of this silly recipe, and you're going to see just how easy it is. We got our spaghetti squash. We need to get. Our recipe calls for makes enough for 1 serving. So we have 3 people here. We're going to make for tonight. So we need 3 cups of this. Hopefully that will yield 3 cups. And we're going to show you how to bake up this thing real quick here on the next shot. We've got some Parmesan cheese. We've got some Italian seasoning, dressing.
It's a mozzarella cheese, this is skim milk or
Low fat.
Low fat.
Uh-huh.
This is our chicken, our diced up tomatoes in a can. It's kind of the easiest way to do it. And then some Laughing Cow cheese.
Yeah,
So awesome.
just like that. Okay, we got spaghetti squash. We got a sharp knife. Hey, if you need some sharp knives, we can hook you up.
Cutco.
Yep, Cutco knives.
They sponsored us.
They didn't sponsor us. You keep saying that. They didn't sponsor us. So I'm going to cut this thing lengthwise, and then we're going to scoop out the seeds. So you ready?
Watch your fingers. I can see the
Wanna hold
accident.
that?
Wait, I can see your accident waiting to happen.
Man.
Sharp
Maybe
knife.
I should get.
It said a sharp knife.
Maybe I should get a serrated one so I can saw.
That's right. You got it. I have faith in you, buddy. Come on. Is it not doing it? He's getting a new knife. Going in for a new knife.
Okay. Ready? I'm going to saw on it.
Okay. Wow. You look like you're an accident waiting to happen there, buddy. What if we go in here?
Just don't cut yourself.
Yeah, it's not
Careful.
It's not
Don't
that
get your
easy.
thumb over there.
not that easy.
Cut your thumb right off. Call him the fireman. Wow, we didn't get it in them down the middle either.
No.
That's all right. Beggars can't be choosers at this point. We're just glad you're getting through it. Okay.
Jeez, it went right past the old knot. Sheesh.
The stem.
Hey, if anybody out there knows an easier way of doing this, let us know. We're struggling.
And these are sharp knives. We have proof here.
Well, I can't do it. I don't want to go up.
No?
No.
Okay. Wow. There you go.
Okay, I think we're good. Bob is in factory.
Wow.
That doesn't look too good. That didn't look too pretty.
We should have bought 2 for our error here. So we're going to scrape out the seeds internally here.
Here's your bowl. Wow, that was brutal.
He thought I was playing.
We got to do another one here.
Okay, so yeah, you just got to kind of scrape on it a little bit. It was harder to cut it than it was to scrape the seeds out, thankfully.
You know, I wonder if we'd have thrown this thing in the oven at first and let it cook a little and then scraped it out. It might have been easier. I don't
Maybe.
know.
But the instructions said to cut it in half. So, and maybe this is not quite as ripe, right? It could be that we got a squash that wasn't quite ripe. We could have left it out on the counter for a couple of days if we hadn't, you know, been in a hurry.
Okay.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
We need to cut that. because it's kind of stringy.
Okay.
Man, we are making a mess today, aren't we, bro?
Yeah. You're always a mess.
All right, so we got 2 halves roughly. We got like a third and 2/3, but 2 halves, and these are going to go face down on our cookie sheet.
Okay, put them face down on the cookie sheet. And what else are we doing? That's it? Just like
Just
that?
throw them in. I think we're supposed to maybe rub them with some oil.
Okay. So we're gonna do that and go into the oven.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Put a little oil on.
Let's do that.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Well, kinda. I'm kind of wanting to check myself before I wreck myself.
We consulted with our on-set cook and
Cooking expert.
Google.
And Google. It was Grok, actually.
And it said drizzle with olive oil and put a little salt.
The first thing we learned is that those that know, if you know, you know, one of those things, that they pop these spaghetti squash in the microwave for a few minutes to soften them up, so they don't have the trouble cutting this thing in half the way we struggled with it. So we'll know that for next time, because we darn near went to the emergency room with a cutting injury. But we're gonna drizzle this bad boy with a little olive oil.
We've got the oven preheated at 400, so that's all good.
Try not to go too much. You want to turn that other one over so we can get it, and maybe you can rub it in with your gloved up hands.
All right. 30 or 40 minutes. So he's popped it in the oven, and he's putting it in there for 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll check it in 30 minutes to see if it's soft. Okay, I'm cubing it up, and he's gonna get the Italian dressing. We're gonna marinate this stuff in. It's gonna sit there for a little bit.
Ken's in there.
Ken's get the Italian dressing.
Okay.
While I keep cubing here. We're German, not Cuban.
Right.
Well, we're cubing right now.
We're definitely not Cuban.
He's got the cubed stuff that's been marinating in the Italian dressing. We're gonna put it in the pan. Put the pan on a fairly low heat. We'll just let it cook.
That wasn't too difficult, was it?
No.
Got it out of the oven. It's looking pretty brown. We left it in there for 45 minutes at 400 degrees.
But nothing to it.
It's looking good. Yeah, it's looking
We didn't do
good.
anything.
And now we're gonna scrape it like this to get the spaghetti. We're just gonna scrape really easy. It's well done. Right,
But look, that's pretty easy.
Yeah.
And we only need 3 cups of this, so you basically scoop it out onto your place here. We are not going to use near all of this. And then I'm going to take my little cup. I need my gloves, huh?
You do. I do too, but it's too late for me.
Okay. I'm going to do it. Get my gloves on. There's 1. There's 2. Okay. Okay. So then I'm going to put it in this little dippity-doo. That's 1 cup. Maybe 2 cups. And then
Final cup.
probably the whole amount.
We
That's
got
it.
just about enough from there. We could have
Right.
scraped a little more if we needed it, but we got enough.
Okay, so then this is going to go away, and we're going to do our next step, right? We're going to combine our all our stuff.
But we're gonna end this shot here, and we're gonna pull the chicken off the stove and make room in the skillet for this.
Right.
For this.
Right. Copy that. Chicken's all cooked. You can see it's thoroughly cooked, and there's not, we just let it sit here for a minute, and we're going to pull it into our bowl just to kind of set it aside for a second. And then I'm going to put my spaghetti squash in, my diced tomatoes, and our cheese. This is our
Laughing
Cow wedge cheese. So it's going to go in there for that.
And we're really not cooking anything. We're just heating it up and melting the cheese.
Yeah, we're just kind of blending it at this point. And it said saute, but basically we're turning the heat on to get it cooked or melted, cheese melted, and everything in, and then we're going to add the chicken back in, right?
That's right. And then we're sort of done. That's looking pretty good.
Okay, and I'm going to go into the thing with it, into the dish with it.
Is it gonna fill that dish? Maybe not, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. And we're going to put our chicken in.
We're gonna spread that chicken out evenly. And then we're gonna put a little cheese over the top. We're gonna spread that out a little bit. Good. This is our mozzarella, and then on top, Kev's gonna put the Parmesan. And all of this is gonna go back into the oven at 350. Isn't that what we set it at?
Right, 350.
For about 10 minutes, roughly. We're really basically just warming it up and melting the cheese.
Okay, it's going in. How long? 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. How's it looking, buddy?
It's pretty good. It's bubbling a little bit in there.
Yeah. Look at it. Okay.
Wow, I don't even want to touch it. We need a bigger spatula. He gave me this puny little spatula.
Coming in.
What do you expect?
Okay.
What do you think? Let's dig in, huh?
Looks pretty good.
It was pretty easy, actually, don't you think, to make?
Yeah.
It looks hot. It looks hot.
I think-
hot.
Our on-set chef said we could have put the spaghetti squash in the microwave. I would save this about 30 minutes, probably. And, like, I guess it would work good. So we should try that next time.
Yeah. The seasoning tastes good. We could have put some Italian seasoning on the spaghetti squash. That's one of the things I recommended. Salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning.
But it's good. It's super tasty.
Yeah.
It's just super hot.
All right. So if you get a chance, make this and let us know how it turns out. In the meantime, go over to our YouTube channel, hit the post notifications, turn on the subscribe button, and give us a big thumbs up.
Until next time, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Cheese it up. Cheese it up.